Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from Vistas Cloud. The components and resources that go into this kind of assembly item must be defined in an Assembly BOM. We use assemble to stock for items that we want to assemble ahead of sales and assemble to order for items that we do not want to stock. To create an Assembly BOM item, search for items in the Tell Me window and select the related link. Select New Action. Enter the details. Description: for this instance, bicycle wheel assembly. Base unit of measure is set. Replenishment system as assembly. Flushing method as backward. Reordering policy as order. To add the Assembly BOM items, select Related, Bill of Materials, Assembly, and Assembly BOM Actions. Or you can simply click the link in the Assembly BOM field. Select New Action and enter the details. An Assembly BOM item has been created.